Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So deep research is one of Perplexity's most powerful features. Instead of giving you a quick answer, it goes away for a few minutes, reads dozens of resources, cross-references information, and comes back with a structured, multi-page report complete with basically data tables, section headers. It's like having a research assistant who basically works for you. But what happens when you click that button and nothing happens? Or it starts then hangs forever? Or you are a free user and the button isn't even there? What's the actual problem? So the good news is that deep research issues almost, or I would say always, come down to one of three things. You have hit your daily limit, you are on the free plan, or the servers are just overloaded, and all of these have straightforward fixes. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through all of this, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. If you are on the free plan, deep research is limited according to Perplexity's usage guidelines. So, free users get only 5 deep research, basically, options per day. Research at midnight in your local time zone. How to check them? Look at the deep research button in the search bar. If it's grayed out, you have hit your daily limit. You may also see a message that you have used all 5 deep research basically options today. The fix is just wait until tomorrow or upgrade to Pro for any unlimited access. So also deep research is a pro tier feature. According to the official documentation, if you are on a free plan, the deep research button may not appear at all. The fix is to easily upgrade to Perplexity Pro and you will be able to access them. And that's the whole idea here. So, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.